CDF chairman, you know, is the signatory. Na ndi na kipotambe ngotange bintu sometimes abantu bande ngokora bari biche ko babeka ni problems. Kuma itegere ko backfire mujumbe tari ko jagora kana ndos.
Yes.
Senja sita yago beke signature. I always warned my brother Arvans. Na mote bire bindegere biko ribuka. Nayo goja kuyaniri. Ebinte binaro kwana about the chiefs camp what ebibyonsi. The only person or authorized go sign chiwe sisoga no mu chairman of CDF.
Oh yes.
And among the reasons so oro chago nya ukwane ruse mitando naende ko romu ya baba inkyura akwane romu mitando to gokwanu ekemerimo ya eremia oise gokwanu iyo is either emerimo ya onemia osenemebe
Yes.
lakini ore ko gokwanu mono gemindi emerimo ya onemebe chairman the other day before atara so obviously he was a border rider bwango igo ise ko murigereri he owns more than 2 cars. Brand new. Oisikoli properties ya why I don't want to discuss it in media platforms lakini ora 10. So inkin try karazere torigere lichibesa cyo mugetutu chigogoro macheso. We will not sit down and wait. Enche na tebe tengonya aba MC bande mbari tayari kuborori abantu babo ebintu byabo byechi ward cyabo mimi nitauliza za bugusero. Na ndekere barayisi boke bankorera emirimo yabo gusero kulingana n'icyo ya CDF mimi sina shida na. Nitawashukuru na nitaonga mkono. Ikona kugo saba kwa nengolo ya kinya saba konye nyasaba kune bakorera abantu bari emirimo ya babo getutu kibesa kiri cya eka consequence unabono kibesa cya CDF ngonye nuko gita bono nkiritere kibatumiete ko gita eschool ya Nyamondo nese nyenge e post ga kino bekere post at cost of around 1000 ekwende no ababegete ngere 550 meters around a school no bekere kere post in every after 10 minutes here to have a post. So that means a generic post around 520 times 1000 is 520,000. A ring here ko beka around nero nyebekere another 500,000. Repa charge ya babeke no eru miambiri. That is a cost of about 1.3 million. Then why should you fancy school na 5 million instead in kwa utumia jiwe ya sejo kore retaining one?